My mother had a folk group that many people did in those days in college called the Mark III Trio. And my father auditioned, and he got the part. And he also got the girl. He stopped the song Worried Man right in the middle to propose to her, much to the chagrin of her then boyfriend, the band.
Wow. Now, do you ever have anybody come up? I know that Martin did a special edition of the acoustic back in like 2006, 2007, the Kingston Trio 50th anniversary commemorative guitar. Do you ever have somebody show up with one of those and ask for an autograph or ask for a picture, or again, do you just have the gear guys that want to talk about the what strings did you come up with?
Yeah, there's a really immense stock
You can just pull up right here.
Oh, yeah, that's fine.
Alright, there shouldn't be any problems now. I got cash in my hands and my little bottle, and my car's right there. It's all dirty. Should get it washed.
And that's really where people do the most. You sometimes get folks who want to talk about the instrument, in which case I'm happy to take them on stage and let them see the instruments themselves. I put my tenor guitar.
That's a cool shirt. I like that. Right on
You're kind of staying true to the folk sound. Most of what you do is acoustic. Is that correct?
Absolutely. No, we even when the Kingston Trio was sort of functioning as a folk rock in the 70s, they still kept it completely acoustic. People plugged in. And multi-instrumentalist guy. But yeah, we keep it both acoustic. Of course, now we're back to the mic instead of rock and roll. We don't even use instruments like we were really for us. That production should have put it right into the vocal.
Now that's authenticity right there. So we're talking with Buddy Woodward.
Yeah.
He's one of the members of the Kingston Trio. They're going to be in town a week from tonight, 7:30 p.m. Peanut Table Event Center, a benefit for Central Valley Honor Flight, and you can get tickets at paintablecatering.com. Get the event and join us next Thursday night. Buddy, I really have one more question for you. I feel like we could talk about the trio all day, but
Man, I could keep the phone for hours if you didn't shut me down.
As somebody who had the privilege to get to go to one of the last Peter Paul Americans, I did something that I've only seen with one other band. I'll ask you, for the folks who come out that just from the audience want to sing along, is that encouraged?
Ooh, hot guy, nice sag, nice underwear.
Wow. There's no way that you can get to the trio and not have the audience. No, we encourage them from the very beginning. We even say, if it works, if you don't work, it's fault. Usually that's the first chorus.
Buddy, I really appreciate the time this afternoon. I'm looking forward to seeing you next a week from tonight. I'm in town.
Fantastic. Can't wait to meet you guys. Hope everybody comes out. I've not been to St. City.
It's going to be a perfect venue. It's intimate, it's well put together, the food is excellent, and the tickets are on sale. If you want to see Buddy Woodward of the Kingston Trio, 1 week from tonight, 7:30 p.m. at the Painted Table Event Center. Get your tickets. You can go to paintablecatering.com. I'm also going to post the link on social media at DriveKMJ, so you can just jump straight in. Get your tickets to the show. This whole thing's a benefit for Central Valley Honor Flight, and you guys know what a great organization that is. Look for the details online. Again, thank you, Buddy Woodward, for the time this afternoon. Ron Blackstone in Fresno.
Sanger. Crews have cleared that two-vehicle accident now at DeWolf and North Avenue. That's good news. Just north of Madera Ranchos, though, we still have a three-vehicle accident on State Route 41 at the 152 connector. That's causing traffic to really back up there. And here in Fresno, traffic's pretty packed as well. They're on westbound 180 to northbound 41 connector. This traffic report is brought to you by Chichinity Gold Resort and Casino. Traffic.
It's the $500,000 big deal giveaway at Successful Gold. Each week, starting April 29th, you can win a share of $43,000. On June 28th, you can win a share of $53,000. Must be 21 or over. Play. Family trouble. Call 1-800-522-4700.
Hi, it's Greg Lade.
Like
Did
the
you realize
sweater.
that for over 47 years, Roger Bo's Performance Auto, Diesel, and Air in Visalia has been creating valuable relationships with the customers. And while they're still in Central Valley, they are a AAA approved service facility and a proud member of the Better Business Bureau with an A+ rating. Roger Boat has 6 years to make it easy for you to get your car, truck, or RV serviced and repaired quickly with a courtesy shuttle always available. If your vehicle requires a little more than just routine maintenance, their expert team of technicians will accurately diagnose and make necessary repairs to get you back on the road with confidence and update your parts warranty. Trust the pros at Roger Bo's Performance Auto, Diesel, and Air, your dealership alternative. Call them up at 559-635-3288 or online at performanceautoandair.com to schedule an appointment. Roger Bo's Performance Auto, Diesel, and Air, one of the best things about living in Visalia. Anyone else feeling a draft in here? Your tired old drafty windows aren't just ugly. They're costing you money. Replace your drafty old windows with new energy-efficient Milgard windows from Columbus Glass, offering products and installation that's backed by years of accumulated expertise with easy-to-use custom color options. Milgard windows and patio doors are clearly the best, all built to your specifications and backed by a lifetime warranty. We have it all. We do it all. ColumbusGlass.com. 299-2819. License number 619446. Certain restrictions apply.
When people hit retirement age and retire, they think something very obvious is going to happen. Yeah, they're done. They're retired. They're not going to do anything. They're not going to be around that much longer. No more fun. Take that worthless life. Your thoughts, not mine. Much younger. In Quail Park at Shannon Ranch, life has just begun, babe. This is independent or assisted living like you have never seen before. Extremely upscale. For those of you that have made a little bit of wealth, and you don't want to give that lifestyle up, Quail Park at Shannon Ranch is exactly the tonic you need. These studio 1- and 2-bedroom apartments can be dialed in any way you want them. It's just like going on a cruise. This is your opulent, retired-at-last stateroom, all-inclusive, 24-hour security, housekeeping and linen service, internet service with Wi-Fi, a theater. You bet, a theater for real. Food? Boom. What I say, it's just like going on a cruise, and you know how that food is. Click YouEatShannonRanch.com. Quail Park at Shannon Ranch, you're gonna love it.
Built strong, born ready. That's John Deere 6R Premium Tractor. Made for you to facing long days and impossible tough chores. Livestock chores, material handling, municipal duty, row crops. Well, no matter what your to-do list looks like, or what Mother Nature throws your way, you'll be up for it. Check out family-owned and operated Thomas Tractor Company in Firefall, where for over 56 years, they strive to provide their customers with individual personalized attention. Please follow us on Instagram at Thomason Retail.
There's no denying it. People are using way more bottles and cans than ever before. Recycling them eases the strain on our natural resources and reduces greenhouse gases in our skies. Sure beats letting them spend the next few centuries just sitting in a landfill. Want to step up your efforts to help the environment? No doubt, reaching for the recycle bin just feels right. So no matter how you're doing your part, thank you. Do the right thing and take the time to recycle your beverage container bottles and cans at home, at work, and at play each and every day. And doing the right thing can make you money. Almost every bottle and can you use can be recycled. Look for the Universal Recycle symbol and the words CA Cash Refund or CA CRV. Toss CRV eligible containers into your curbside bin along with your other recyclable materials or redeem them for their refund value at your local recycling center.
This beverage container recycling message has been brought to you by the City of Calzilla.
It's KMJ's Afternoon Drive with Philip Terrett and D. Curtis Johnson.
It's always a balanced conversation. Yeah, baby. Afternoons 2 to 6. News Talk 580 and 105.9. KMJ.
It is the Afternoon Drive on Pre-Friday.
Not that I'm looking forward to the weekend or anything, but nonetheless, that's Philip Tresky. My name's E. Curtis Johnson. Actually, it's nice that it's warming up out there. The rainy weather is going away. People are going to want to be outdoors. We're proud to announce that the camping season is getting underway. If you like family camping, there's this place called Camp Fresno. It's just east of Shaver Lake. It's going to officially open on June 14th. And if you're a Fresno resident, you're going to like this. If you like camping for the first 2 weeks, reservations are exclusively to City of Fresno residents. There's a daily rate for family cabins, 2 days, 1 night. Weekly rates including 7 days. So if you like camping, this may definitely be the thing for you. Are the Teresis campers?
Mrs. Teresi enjoys camping. I support Mrs. Teresi's enjoyment of camping. I am not spending money to pretend that I'm homeless.
As a kid, as a Boy Scout, I used to spend so much time camping. There was a wilderness area close by.
Yeah.
As an old man with a bad back, boy, I gotta have a nice air mattress. I can't sleep on the ground like I used to be able to.
I understand perfectly the appeal of being outdoors, in the wild, away from civilization. I understand it perfectly, and I am overjoyed at the opportunity to get to go and do that, and then I'd like to check into the amount of price.
Sounds perfectly reasonable to me.
Yeah. But if you dig that kind of thing, the cabins at Camp Fresno are a pretty good compromise between the two. If you want to get in touch with Camp Fresno, probably the easiest way is just to Google Camp Fresno cabins and follow that link to the City of Fresno. You got to call to get a reservation. That's how old school and rustic this is. You got to pick up the phone.
Miss the show? Subscribe to the Afternoon Drive podcast. It's free wherever you get your podcasts, or click the podcast page at knjnow.com.
I have had 3 solar arrays. Go to the door. I cannot understand why anybody in California right now would not have solar. Planet Solar, the payment on my loan, the bill this solar system is 50 to 75% less than my monthly PG&E bill, and I can prove that. A lot of the incentives have been torpedoed by the state, but that's incentive right there. My payment is 50 to 75% less than my PG&E bill. Why wouldn't you click PlanetSolar.com? Why wouldn't you? Why wouldn't you do that when we pay the highest rates in the country now? We just beat Hawaii. Aren't we lucky? Aloha. From high costs of electricity. Planet Solar is a local company. To some people, that makes a difference. Solar is all they do. You can dial them at 1-800-859-SOLAR. 800-859-SOLAR. And what you pay is steady every month. It's not like your power bill that goes up and down, depending upon the season. Planet Solar. Come on.
It's time to raise the bear. Don't miss a pitch of Grizzly baseball this season as the team celebrates 26 years in downtown Fresno. All the fun starts now. Join the Fresno Grizzlies for a baseball season unlike any other as they give you what is guaranteed to be an exciting and historic year. It's California, baby. Get your Fresno Grizzlies tickets and more now on Sweet Deal.
Ready for some baseball? You can see your Fresno Grizzlies with an unbelievable sweet deal from KMJ. Get this most incredible deal ever. This Friday, purchase a Schools Out celebration pack, including family 4-pack field box tickets, hot dog and soda vouchers, 2 Grizzly packs, 2 Grizzlies bobbleheads, a $200 value for just $100. This certificate is print on demand, so you can even use it for other games all summer long. But don't miss out. These deals will be limited. Grab yours Friday morning at 9 on KMJNow.com.
It's the Millionaire Cash Vault giveaway.
That's $1 million code at the Tempe Gold.
Earn entries each week starting May 1st.
Then on September 2nd,
One lucky guess.
becomes a millionaire. It's the Millionaire Cash Vault giveaway.
Extra KFC Gold. 2021 will play gambling from 1-800-522-4700. News Talk. 580 AM. 1059 FM. KMJ. Fresno. A Cumulus Media City.
Good afternoon from the newsroom. I'm Jim Miller. A proposed four-story apartment complex in Northwest Fresno will not move forward. For now, there were cheers from the audience at Wednesday night's Planning Commission meeting after a unanimous vote to uphold an appeal from neighbors. Those opposed said the planned complex at Herndon and Prospect Avenues would impact traffic, did not meet fire safety codes, and would tower over other structures in the area. Fresno Mayor Jerry Dyer presenting his proposed 2025 budget in front of City Council today. Here's KMJ's Liz Kern.
Fresno's overall budget nearly $2 billion. The general fund nearly $483 million. But increasing expenses are outpacing revenues. There's a $47 million deficit from paying for PG&E services and other costs. Councilmember Mike Habasi.
Mayor, you've done a great job putting together a balanced budget with almost $50 million in the hole. I really appreciate that work. We're going to work this out.
Mayor Jerry Dyer plans to make department cuts and revenue adjustments and use American Rescue funds to balance the budget. It must be adopted by June 30th. The city's long-term financial condition remains healthy. In May, the city's credit rating was once again upgraded. Liz Kern, KMJ News.
The mayor's plans to revitalize downtown Fresno being paused last year. Governor Newsom pledged $250 million that the city would have used for revitalization projects. Fresno already received $50 million this year, but the rest is being deferred. A man to the hospital with a gunshot wound after a family dispute. Yesterday, police responded to a house in Fresno County and found a man who'd been shot in the neck. Deputies discovered the shooting had resulted from a family disturbance and detained two people related to the victim. He was taken to the hospital, listed in stable condition. Police also seized two guns from that home. There are new ways the government is helping organic growers in California and across the nation. KMJ's Ag Director, Don York, has more.
The U.S. Department of Agriculture has just launched new programs, partnerships, grant awards, along with making available an additional $10 million in funding to expand markets for organic products. Those new programs and money will also help producers transition into organic production. Plus, the programs will provide hands-on training to producers making the transition to growing organic crops. Another goal of this new effort is to ease the financial burden of getting organic certification. John York, KMJ News.
And now the forecast from ABC 30 meteorologist Christine Gregory.
Good afternoon. It's going to be another warm afternoon. Temperatures heading up in the low to mid-90s. 94 for Fresno with lots of sunshine continuing into our Friday. 93 for a high tomorrow. Over the weekend, we slowly start to see some more comfortable warmth after highs around 90 on Saturday. We're back in the upper 80s come Sunday, and that stream of 80s continues as we get into early next week. For KMJ, NBC 30's meteorologist Christine Gregory.
I'm Jill Miller on KMJ at KMJNow.com or wherever you stream.
Here in Fresno, we have a two-vehicle accident. Polk and Palo Alto Avenue. That's up there in North Fresno, there by Herndon and the 99. Also in Fresno, traffic's pretty heavy on both directions on westbound 180 and northbound 41 connector. And just north of Madera, we have that three-vehicle accident on 41 at the Stateway 152 connector. Traffic still pretty backed up in that area as well. I'm Michael Reed, KMJ Traffic.
It's the $500,000 big deal giveaway at the